place right now. Some say the government a play right now. Place I get trained right now. Say the things set away. Get me down. Some say they care for the youths them. Cause the youths are the future. Be careful of what you teach them. Don't turn them in no vulture. You say the place them one way. Your envy and hatred. Man I move like them and sick and spiritual wickedness. I am no places. We need more love in the world right now. Show more love to the youth right now. We don't want no more gunman right now. Pull up a love gun with the war now. Don't you see the place right now? Things are getting trade right now. The place are getting raid right now. So the things set away. Set away. Oh no see the place right now. Some say the government a play right now. Place I get trained right now. See the things set away. Better move up with your ranking walk and your ranking talk. Some man a love ranking thing. Yo, we are ranking far if you don't got bank. Some man a like talking thing. Yo, no bother tell me you bad, where you from. Yo, little youth say me bad from me band. Just because me make up my mind and decide we walk the right road, you take me big long. Yo, me a no time for go pre-bad energy. Now live my life on Snapchat and IG.
Alright, me G, I link with the connect them, you see me?
Okay, killer, remember, that's where I'm from. Yeah, it used to be the...
I trying to explain to the man, this, you know Amarah is not yours. Why is it you acting up like this?
So this man never showed this kind of tendency because he said he was very, he was protected.
Allen, when he started to show these tendencies, I was in disbelief that it was real. I swear this man faking me out, you know. Because it was so outrageous and it happened so sudden that I was in shock. I didn't know what to think. So I thinking I could probably just talk to him and he might snap back. But he just keeps showing the tendencies of, I don't know, like he was starting to lose it, I guess.
And where you got the blade from?
Well, we have a cutlass in the house and knives and all that, so he probably get it from inside.
So you weren't there when he chopped the child?
No, when I escaped from his grip, I ran down into the police station.
Yeah, because the police station is just about a couple of minutes from here.
Yeah, so when I reached down in the station now, I must probably wait about 10 minutes before we come back up the road.
Yeah.
And when I came back with the cops, she was
Oh God. So you saw the body?
Well, I asked one of the officers when they detained him. I asked one of the officers if I could go and check on my daughter, and they allowed me to go inside. And when I walked in, as I stepped in the room,
you saw the child body?
No, I didn't see her body initially as I walked in. I saw blood on the floor, smeared on the floor and on the walls. And when I looked into the other room, that's when I saw my daughter on the ground, lying down on her stomach with her hands up and no head. When I first saw the body, I didn't believe that she didn't have a head on her body. So I had to take a second look. Yeah, I was in disbelief. I had to take a second look to make sure that it don't have a head on the body. And when I noticed the head not on the body is when I tripped off and started to scream and I ran outside and I let the officers know. He just mutilated my daughter. He now cut off she head. I was in shock. It's the first time he ever displayed any violence towards me or Amarah. First time. First time.
But let me ask you something. You think that what he did was just a
Now everybody in Trinidad hear about the tragedy. The bottom feeder boyfriend chop off the baby blood clot head, yo. And you see before me talk about this, now you see all of the gang member, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, that boy are there prison. You see if you not get that blood clot bottom feeder, we chop off the little blood clot baby head. The whole of uno a pussy and the whole of uno a batty man. And me go say it like this. Uno a piper and bulla man. If you not get the bottom feeder, who cut off this? Yo. Big idiot thing. Now, this story are close because we get a phone call this morning from the big heavy man outer Karma G5. See, the man will do the low ranking thing and the Yank You Ain't No Killer movie. That are the last movie low ranking do. And you see the whole of the man them in that movie, they dead after blood clot. All G5 did in a big bad accident. But anyways, it so happened that the baby father, the little girl baby, the little girl, her father, Amarah, her father name is Coke Seed. And he also starred in the movie Yank You Ain't No Killer. Yo, me gonna show you the visual. And you see from the visual when me see that the movie with that youth here, the man is a star. But never tell you no the story behind that woman a star. Me know says a grieving time and everything. But you see when you fuck two man, them things can't happen. Now, look at the screen in front of you. You see the man sit down in the white. That's Coke Seed. And seem that they read a newspaper. And him a watch the other youth a walk going on the thing. This ain't the movie, you know. Yo, man, like, you know, the man look like a big blood clean movie star. No word of a lie. Coke Seed are the best dressed man in the movie. And film role where him play, if you don't want to know the role him play in the movie, cause this right here, so Yankee Ain't No Killer. Wanna watch it, I wanna see. But the man is a superstar in the movie. And the first me see that part of the movie because the movie have many different episodes. You see what I'm saying? Or I think I might miss it, but yo, when I seen it today, I'm like, hell no, I can't feel baby this happened to. Now, with that said, Mellow Bruno film part of what went on in this situation which led up to what happened to Amarah. Now, Coke Seed, this is the youth right here, so. And you see what it say, Amarah father wanted full custody. She would have been alive today. And that's the dead truth. Now, the little girl is 4 years old. And according to Coke Seed baby mother, the child mother, she's been with the new boyfriend for 4 years. So, it takes 9 months to have a baby. And before that, it take whatever, couple days, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. When you have fuck, forget impregnated or whatever it's called. Now, it seems like this is my submission and my opinion. It seems like she was fucking Coke Seed and this new guy. When she had the baby, she and the new guy went to live. Now, in her thing to Mr. Ian Allen, big up Mr. Ian Allen, because of his clip me I use. Big up Ian, you understand? Big up yourself. From Countryman. She said there was no problem. But there was a problem. Because the problem is she told the boyfriend that that is his child. And he has been believing that all along. This is what I'm hearing from Coke Seed himself. And I didn't want to say it out loud, but the baby father we know the baby father. He went to court with this young lady, Coke Seed, to try and get his daughter. He had a tumultuous court battle with this young lady, and she won the case, and the government leave the baby with her. He used to go and look for his daughter, and this young lady would go to the police all the time, and the police banned him from going to look for his daughter, so he took it to court, and when he took it to court, he lost. You see what I'm saying? Coke Seed is numb. The man in a bar last night, and people were in the bar talking about it, and then they realize it's him. They start crying, hug him up, kiss him. This man hasn't shed one tears yet. Remember now, you know, the man a fight for him daughter, you know. Now, I beg you now, pardon, because I'm getting a little bit emotional doing this video. The man have one daughter. Him a fight for him daughter. The girl a call police on him. The police them ban him, you know. Like him is a criminal. And she a tell this man now, who she live with for 4 years and a fuck. She a female baby. When she finally tell the man that it is not his baby, that is when the man flip out. If you listen to her talking to Ian, Ian, big up yourself, Ian. Ian man, I that me I go call you. Big up yourself. She said she don't know why he is flipping out like that. But I think she knows why. Cause she knows she has been lying, telling the man it's his child. And then she tell him no, it's not his for whatever reason. Whatever domestic issue she have with that man. The moment she told that man that that's not his baby, she said, oh, I know it's not it. No, that's not how it goes. We have the facts, and we can show you court papers. You understand? We have proof, because we know Coke Seed them. We don't know him personally, but we know him. She entertained the man, say, a female daughter. And when she tell the man cut off the baby head. Listen, me not tell the people them to do or nothing. You understand? Cause she a grieve. She's a young lady. Everybody make mistake. She can't predict what the guy gonna do. So I'm not gonna chastise her and beat her up. But I am very, very angry about this. Me I do this and tears are coming out my eye. That's why me I beg on pardon. I am very angry about this. Me hear say some people have the baby head on video. Please do not put that in my WhatsApp group, cause anybody put it in my WhatsApp group, me I go ban you and report you to WhatsApp and Facebook, and I might even report you to the children's network, the authorities them, in America. So I just let you know that do not put that shit in my WhatsApp group. Please respect me. Respect the little girl. Respect our parents. One more thing, or really more thing. All of the gangsters them are Trinidad. The 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10. Even the Muslim, cause me hear son our plan for me. Now, see a man they wanna go for. The bottom feeder will do this to that little girl there. You understand? So, if you don't do this and get that pussy there, let me tell you something. The whole of una piper and bulla man and batty man and auntie man. And I saw me I say, you don't like it, go suck their mother. And that countryman say, yo, there is a rip in our social fabric, in our societies. And we're paying the price for this. I spoke about family breakdown, the domestic violence. I spoke about that today on the video I did about Sir P and the vanishing people and this and that with sacrifice. This right here is the same thing. Domestic violence and a breakdown, a rip in our society, dog, that money cannot fix. For us to fix this kind of stuff right here, we need everybody in Trinidad to be on the same page in our country. I mean, I say, we country, cause Trinidad are my country too. I come from the Caribbean. You don't care what nobody want to say. You understand? In our country, we need to use this and come together and never make something like this happen again. The government only need to get sued. So the father, which is Crook Seed, you need to file a lawsuit on the government. And if the government is any decent government, they would settle the lawsuit. You understand? Another thing, I know this will sound harsh, but you see that house where the little girl dead in her, it from burn, it from mash up. They need to demolish it. They need to demolish it. The people who live in it only need to move out. Only need to get the fuck up out of there, find somewhere else to go live and demolish that bomb clock. We don't want nothing that's gonna remind us of that. You understand? Remove that house. You see the boy must get a very speedy trial, if not execution. I'm a dollar call upon the prisoner them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the whole of them. You understand? Now, with that said, let me know what you think about this video. Like I said, this one was emotional for me. But I have to kind of break it here, so cause we can go on and on and on and on and on. You understand? So I'm going to break it here, so let me know what you think. My condolence to the young lady, the mother, And definitely my condolence to Coke Seed, yo. Cause the youth you not deserve this, dog. The man fight for him daughter. Man fight for him daughter, yo. And them a give him daughter, I know them a give him daughter. With her head cut off, yo. I'm out.